Hey YouTube, wanted to get on here and do a quick DIY. I've been wanting to turn these candles, they're like the waxy candles, they have the LED lights in them. I wanted to turn them into like a faux birchwood log style. So what I'm going to be needing is the candles, some stain, something that you can carve with, and a brush for your stain. So first off, I'm going to put some notches in here. Okay, so I put some paint on my little brush, my roller brush. So I like that the brown it gets in the notches. I think what I'm gonna do is just coat this and let the stain stay in the notches, and then once it dries I'll go back and do a coat of the white. that looks really cute. So grab the next one, do the same thing. Just kind of go down with it. Put a little more if you need to. And you can just play with it and see how you like it. See, like, I love this color that it's giving.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like this one.
Clean out the inside. If it's got paint in there, you can always get your little razor and clean it up.
Hi, Mama.
Look how cute that looks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Look how cute those turned out.